And now it's time for a bout of unboxing with the super slim, super trim Otis Dealey.
Thank you very much, and I'm not breathing in either. Now, we all here know that you are a fan of mechanoid mashups. Is this not correct?
Well, you could say that, yes.
Yes. Well, you're going to love what's in here. It's been described as an agile, advanced fighting robot.
Brilliant. Although I sense a butt coming on.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, one way of describing it is by using initialisms, which we all know John is a fan of.
Don't drag me into it. I was only pointing out the correct term for letters representing words that don't themselves form a new word.
OK, calm down, JB. It stands for John Bentley.
Yeah, all right, I know. Some of those initialisms are AR, AI, FPV and FPS. Shall we take a look?
OMG, let's get on with it.
OK, so this is the GEIO from China, currently priced at $199.99.
OK.
Will be available here in the UK later this year. That's the battery. Nice bit of cellophane wrapping here for our red robot. It has omnidirectional wheels on the bottom there.
Yeah.
We'll be able to get a lovely shot of that, meaning you can just move it around really nicely. Gun turret on top. You get 40 minutes of fighting time. There we are. You control it using an AR app on your phone, which will overlay a battle scene on your real environment. It has an AI algorithm which allows it to scan a room, OK, and then recognise the enemy when the enemy steps in. Should we set that one up?
All right, then.
I've got this over here, so I'm just going to connect and initialise, and because I know you love a bit of the old combat, here's one I set up earlier.
Oh, so we can have a rumble.
We can have a ruckus, mate.
Set two.
There you go.
OK. It made a little noise then.
It did, didn't it?
Like a little baby chick.
Like a little baby puppy. OK, we are connected. You'll see the...
See the way it's honed straight in on my face?
So there's an LCD display there. It's able to recognise faces, interact. It's got a nice colourful screen there. We are
just
connected.
winked at me.
There you go. Because it knows what's about to happen.
I think I should be red.
Oh, of course you should.
Championes, championes.
Insufferable. Right.
OK. Press red for battle, I take it.
Red for battle, and then
Start red.
Yeah, start red. I'll press start blue. OK, now if you open
the eye there.
At the top, you should
Eyes
be able
open.
to see me. Yes.
There you go.
Oh, look at that! Hey!
Hey, we can't start yet.
What do you mean we can't start yet?
You've got to say, let the wars begin.
They already have. Oh, look at that! Maximum damage. Have it. Hey! Get out of it!
Retreat, Craig. I thought you'd be better at this.
Takes a little getting used to.
Where's he going?
He's running off.
Come
He's
back
scared. Oh!
Yes! Victory is mine!
What do you think, guys?
Yeah, I love the omnidirectional wheels. I can imagine some epic battles taking place on lounge floors.
You just witnessed one.
I know.
I thought that was real fun.